Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Mike's RC Corner. Glad to have you here. Hope everyone's doing well. Of course, I'm Mike, and we got a great video here, and this one's all about the RC community. There's a great one on Facebook. Let's dive into this, and we got a big sweet surprise. Here we go, guys, and well, we gotta talk about this box. I don't know if you saw the thumbnail, you might get a hint of what this box might include inside, but we're gonna have a lot of links in the video description, and I'm gonna toss around some of these things I'm gonna be saying about what's in this box. RC community online is awesome, and I also own a 3D printer. 3D printers and RC kind of go hand in hand if you have some technical skill. A lot of upgrade parts and things, especially for crawlers and boats and planes, can be 3D printed. Throw drones in there too, especially the FPV ones. And there's a lot of cool stuff going on out there. On Facebook, there's something I came across because I follow both 3D printing and other things in RC. And I came across a group that does jet boats. So I met a guy on the group, in the Mjet group, named Rafael, and he was looking to possibly get rid of something because he had too many projects on the go and he couldn't afford to get this thing going. So we're gonna look and see what came in this box. All right, here we go. We got some parts, a whole bag of spare parts, and inside we have what they call the Bashjet. I'm gonna get rid of the box. Now, if you follow a bit of the boat scene, and you follow my channel about once a year, maybe twice a year, lately it's been once a year, I do like a boat review, and I do something because I do love me a good RC boat. It's kind of hard now. I don't have many great places around me to go to. I gotta drive quite a distance, but they're a lot of fun. Anyways, you might be familiar with the Jetstream from Pro Boat with Shreddy. Awesome bashing boat, shallow water because of Jetstream. And in the Facebook group, they have the files. They'll bring you to a website where you can do this. Jetstream Pro Boat's a lot of money, of over $1,000 Canadian for sure, and this can be done for a fraction of the cost. Rafael made me a lot of parts. There's hardware you can see in here. He also tossed in a motor for me. It's a Surpass Hobby. I'll have a link in the notes for a Fly Color ESC. This boat is going to run 6S. ESC will need to be 150 amp and doing some water cooling. The motor will need to be water cooled, so there's still extra parts I need to get. I need to get a servo. I need to get a cooling sleeve for the motor, and I got to get some tubing, maybe some more hardware. It's all going to look good. The seat here, this tab comes off and you can screw it down. So that needs to be done yet. I'll cover the cockpit. I'm definitely going to sand down. There's some rough edges on it, but much appreciated his time and effort to print this, put it all together. He gave it to me for a fraction of the cost, and the shipping was pretty penny, I'm sure. I'm almost embarrassed, like, how cheap I got this for. Rafael, salute to you, man. Hats off, thumbs up. And he wants to see this come to life. He couldn't get it going. He didn't have time and the effort and money to do these things. I won't get into that, but I'm gracious to have the opportunity that he passed this on to me. Awesome boat. These things come up here. Everything's going to fit inside. Sorry I have to do this over here. This is my second rendition of doing this. I was out in the sun, but my phone shut down because it was overheating. It's a real hot day, but everything is going to mount in there. I'm super excited to get this thing going. I'm gonna take this and throw it out on the pool, and we'll see how this thing floats.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, here we go. Let's get this thing in the water, see how it floats. Pretty cool. There she goes. I'm super stoked. So there you go, guys. A Pro Boat Jetstream in Canada would probably cost over 1,100 bucks with taxes. I think it's 9 US, 9 change, and of course, who knows with tariffs and all that stuff. I'll leave a link in notes on some of the components like the motor and the ESC that would work with this. You can do a servo too, but with the PLA and everything else, I think you could probably do this for $350, so a quarter of the price. And anything goes wrong, you just 3D print the parts, right? That's pretty cool. You can fix your own RC like that. Thanks for watching a boat float around in the pool and a guy going yada yada yada. These things are out there. I'll leave a link in the notes at the websites and the Facebook groups. Thanks again to Rafael. Follow the series. It'll be a slow one, but we're going to get this out and going in 2026. Thanks for watching Mike's RC Corner. Hope everyone's doing well. Peace, and we'll see you soon on the next one.